So in this video, I'll be sharing competition when it comes to freelancing, agencies and running any sort of businesses. We often say that there are number of freelancers, there are number of agencies, there are number of businesses and there is a huge competition. We normally tend to say that, right? But what if I say no, there is no such competition? So if you're a freelancer, agency owner, running a businesses, so you're reaching out to the prospects, the company you want to work for, the leaders you want to work with. You keep reaching out to them, but no, you're not getting a single response from them. Why? Because there is a huge competition. We normally tend to say ourselves, right? Yes, I agree. It's true to a certain extent, but I always firmly believe that there is always room for. Trust me, if you're a freelancer running an agency, there's always space, there's always a client who really want you. But still, if you're not getting any response whatsoever, you need to check your skill set. You need to check your craft. You need to ponder upon. You need to ask yourself and you need to work on your skill set, your craft first. There's one thing. Whenever you say that there is huge competition, how did you calculate that? How many clients, how many prospects did you reach out to? How many? If you're just reaching out to 5 people, 10 people, and you started giving excuses to yourself, but since there is huge competition, you're not getting client. So there are two things you're not getting client. First, you don't have that skill set, or you need to polish your skill set, your creativity. If you're a video editor, if you are a designer, if you're a developer, you need to work on your skill set. You need to work on your craft first. Be so good at your craft that no one can ignore you. Be that person. Second, if you're not getting clients or any project, how many clients did you reach out to? Ask yourself and then ask, is that enough? Again, so there are the two reasons you're not getting client. First, you don't have that skill set. I'm not trying to let you down. Well, I'm just trying to help you out. So you need to polish your skill set. You need to work on your craft first. Second, you really need to reach out to the number of people. You need to try. You need to try a lot. Remember one thing. Your client need more than you need them. Mark my word. If you're really good at your craft, your client need more than you need them. Trust me, your client need more than you need them. So moving forward, whenever this excuse comes into your mind that you're not getting client because of the high competition, tell to your mind, no, either you're not up to the mark. Second, you did not try enough. They are the only two reasons. And remember that word. Your client need more than you need them. I hope it helps. Thank you.